swing.
Another one. Maddie. Peter.
That's right. So, great job today. Y'all rocked it. Here is the basic footwork. We will do the slow version first. We do rock, step, slow, slow. Rock, step, slow, slow. For the record, you can do that if the music gets really fast. You can't triple step, that's all good. But here it is in the triple steps. That's what we're doing most of the time. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Okay, so that's your footwork. We did open position. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. We did closed position. Just like this. Remember, elbows pointing down, pretty chill arms, not saying a lot in the arms. And then we try a couple simple moves. We try to send out and then bring back. So, rock, step, triple step, triple step. I send back out. We can dance out there. Bring that back. We all rock that, it was super good. Then we worked on the tuck turn and the change of places. Same idea, but a little more complicated. We go open, close, turn. Right away, we change places. And then we dance here. We come back to close, and we can do it again. The subtle point about this that we talked about today, that we'll work on next week a little bit more, is getting that feeling on the back so that on the rock step we can get an open feeling that prepares the thing a little bit better. So, it just feels different than a basic rock step. It goes open, close, and I send my partner. Always, if you're willing to turn slowly and steadily, you will get more information and more success. That was an awesome job, everybody.